And yes, the vacuuming is being done, but I'm not going to stop on doing the vacuuming, so we'll just have to work through it. Hi there, Laura here. Today I am doing a collab video with, and we've decided to call our group the Sweet 16 Collab group. Now this started off with just a few of us doing the mermaid collab, and then it grew from there and we did the musician inspired collab, and now we're up to 16. I think we're going to try and hold it at 16. And today we are doing Halloween in July because Anya Stamper from Pink Sweets adores Halloween and she wanted to do Halloween in July, so we all said, yep, that sounds good. And we will be doing more collabs in the future, and some of us will be doing some of them and some of them not. So there won't always be 16 people doing it, but that's the number in the group is the idea. So for Halloween in July, we were thinking we could do a movie inspired look, and you could either do full-on character or you could just do an inspired look. So I'm going to do an inspired look today, and I had a lot of trouble deciding what to do because we don't actually do Halloween at all here. It's caught on a little bit, but not very much in New Zealand. Most people don't do it, and I've never done Halloween, so it wasn't something that I immediately thought, oh yes, I'll do this or do that. So when I was looking through Pinterest trying to get some ideas, Beetlejuice kept coming up, and that look I thought would make a good jumping off point for inspiration. But somebody else was already doing Beetlejuice because it's taken me ages to decide what to do. So I decided not to do that. And I decided to go with Morticia from the Addams Family, which isn't strictly a horror movie, but it has that kind of vibe. So I thought it would fit in with the Halloween. And I'm not going to try and make myself look like Morticia. I'm just doing an inspired look. So something I could wear but has Morticia kind of vibes. That was my idea for this one. Some people in this collab will be doing full-on costume, and I'm really looking forward to seeing what they do. But I just decided to do an inspired look this time. I can't tell you exactly who's gonna actually be in it from the 16 because I'm not sure, but I'll have them all listed down below when I find out. But enough talking, and let's get on with it. Now, I haven't done anything at this stage because I wanted to do my eyebrows. So I'm doing it off these two photos here. Is from my inspired look. So basically she's got a sort of grey, black, white, smoky, classic eye with a red lip and no blush. But very defined eyebrows. My eyebrows aren't really defined, and I'm not going to pluck them all to make them like that. I'm just going to draw them in. And they don't have a big arch in them, they're more rounded. And they're quite dark. Because she's got black hair. I'm not making black hair either. So I'm going to go in with my palette here and get this dark brown just to make my brows a little bit darker. She has a very classic kind of look. So as far as I can see, she doesn't wear any earrings. You don't see her ears anyway, so I just put some very small studs, which I thought she might wear. So I'll finish prepping my eyes for the makeup and then I'll come back. So I've prepped my eyes ready to go, and I think I will set my base this time, and I'm going to go in with my SophX Revolution palette and go into the white, which is called Penguin, to set my base with. So I was thinking I'd need to go in with a grey matte to start with to help blend the black out. I don't have a grey matte, so the closest I could get to a grey matte was from the Galatic IHeart Revolution palette, and this one here called Eclipse. It is a shimmer, but it's not very shimmery. So I'm going to use a fluffy brush and just put some of that in the crease here. If you're wondering why I'm looking over here, it's because I'm looking at my picture, so I can kind of keep on track with what I'm doing there. Get the flavour of what I'm doing. I'm going to go back into the white. And then I'm going to go, I think I'm going to use this brush here. This is my models prefer one. And I'm going to go in with a black. I'm going to go in with this black here. And I'm going to go in with a smaller brush to just get right in the crease there. I think I've got it too blended from what I can see. It's almost, but not quite, a cut crease. And this bit here is not really blended very much, so I think I've blended it too much. I'm going to get a Q-tip. So I'm just going to cut the crease a little bit. Now I think I want a shimmer white. I think I've got a shimmer white in my Dream with a Vision palette, so I'll go get that. So I've got Cloud in my Dream with a Vision palette. Let me go back into this palette and get that grey again, and just very slightly blend that white and that grey together. So I'm going to go back into the black. And then I'm going to get a clean brush and I'm going to go back into a matte white. I think I'll try the matte white in this palette, see if it's a bit brighter than the one in the SophX palette. And do some tight lining. What we're looking like so far. Now I'm going to put my foundation on, but it's actually not my foundation, it's my daughter's foundation, because she's a lot paler than me, so I'm usually a 122 in the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Maybelline foundation, and this is in 110. You can see that. So this is a very pale foundation for me. Hydrate my face. The primer on. much out. As you can see, this foundation is way too pale for me. But Morticia is always very pale because she doesn't like to see the sun. Here's my pale foundation. And I think I'm going to use a white powder to set it. So I'm just using my Maybelline Master Fix Setting and Perfecting Loose Powder, and this is a white one. So here's my very pale face so far, and she's got quite sculptured cheeks, so I'm going to attempt, I'll try a bit of the Eclipse grey colour. It might be too dark, or I might have to be really good at blending. I usually try and avoid to have a grey streak on my face. This time I'm deliberately putting a grey streak on my face. And I'm just going to get some white powder and just define my contour a bit after all that blending. And I think I want to just do a little bit on my nose. And I don't want any blush today. I think I'm just going to spray my face with my setting spray. I'm going to put my mascara on. Now, I don't think she's got any highlighter on that I can tell, but I can't resist putting some on. So I'm actually think I might go into the Extraterrestrial from Classy Cake Cosmetics, and I just want a tiny bit. Now I also want to blend this bit out a little bit. It's looking a bit patchy. She doesn't have a harsh line here either. That's all blended out that I can see. And I think I'm going to go in, maybe not. I'm going to go back into the Galactic palette, and I'm going to get this colour here, seen from Mars, this brown one. I think it's quite ironic that in my palette video I was saying, if I had to declutter one right now, it would be this palette, and now I'm using it. Just want to put a little bit under here just to blend it out a little more, because her bottom lash line looks quite blended. I think my bottom lash line is way more dark and defined than hers is, but never mind. I'm not trying to do an exact copy, I'm just trying to do an inspired look, and now I have to find the red lipstick I want. I think this is the one I want. I haven't actually used this one before. It's the Shiseido one in Exotic Red, which looks like this. I've swatched it in a completely useless place. Let's try that again. Yeah. I think it's actually too berry. I think I need a more orange red one. So that was my Australis Slay All Day one, and Slay Like a Babe. So I'm just going to use it as a base. Okay, I think I finally found the red I want. Okay, I'm going to use my Colour Shine Beauty Guru L'Oreal lipstick. So here is my Morticia inspired makeup look. Did I capture the essence without being costumey? Do you think I could wear this out? Or do you think people would think I was trying too hard to be something I'm not? So thank you to all the Sweet 16 collab group who are joining in with this collab, and I will link all their channels below if I can fit them in the description box. And we'll have a hashtag and a playlist so you can go and have a look and see this lipstick makes my teeth look really yellow. But anyway, I don't like my hair this straight either. It reminds me of when I was in high school and my hair was just dead straight. So thank you everyone, and for all the wonderful conversations and things on Instagram that we have. It's just a wonderful group. Everyone who is doing this collab and is in the Sweet 16 group, I would encourage you to go and watch and follow, because they're all wonderful people and I'm sure you will really enjoy their channels. So I haven't got anything more to say, so I will see you next time. Thank you very much for watching, and bye.